we as a society are so obsessed with fame and money, and that we put so much value into the numbers and the bank account and, you know, the fame, the celebrity and all of that. Whereas really what you're getting to is like, where is that self-love and acceptance? And the ultimate goal should really be happiness, not fame, fortune. Yes, we want to be, you know, living comfortably.
Yeah, you want to be heard too. That's real. You know?
But you don't want to, if you compromise yourself too much to the point for what you think you should be striving for, then you're going to lose yourself completely.
Totally.
And then you're not going to be happy no matter how much money's in your bank account.
Totally. And also, man, what you're trying to do from what I know about you is you're trying to help people who want to do this. You're trying to help them do it more effectively. That's a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
I highly value that.
Thank you. Thank you.
So it's
and authentically.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's the thing, is like we can learn, you know, we can take example from everybody out there and how they're doing it and making it work in their own unique way. And this is why it's so fascinating hearing your take on it, because you are doing it so dramatically differently from so many other artists out there doing it right now, but making it work in your way. And the ultimate goal is for everyone to find what is their path. It's like nobody here can do the Theo Katzman thing because there's only one Theo Katzman, but there's only one of each of you out there too. No one can do it your way either. Yes,
that's a key point.
Yes.
So this is why I'm advocating for taking the extra time and possibly a little more pain you don't have to share it with anyone, but spend some time with yourself, documenting yourself in this way, capturing a full performance on whatever your instrument or voice is. Just see what happens. I'm pretty sure you're like 98% of the way there. Like, you're way better than you think you are. I mean, there's one thing here or there. Fine. So work on it, you know? And the joke to me is that think of all the classic records we love. Do any of them sound the same as any other one from the era? Are you like, oh yeah, Zeppelin 3, well, it's the same as the Eagles that year? No, it's totally different. And by the way, it's the same producer. It's Glyn Johns, you know? Why is it different? Because it's a different everything, including a different moment in time where someone takes a microphone out of a closet and puts it somewhere in some room. You want to get a unique sound? Tear your mics down after every session. Put them back up again. You know? You're going to get a different sound. It's almost a joke. It's like so easy to become unique if you just allow yourself to do what this art form is called, which is record. If you make a recording of a moment in time, it's a unique moment in time. But if you only drag in the Logic drummer, you know, new amazing sounding perfect kit, you're gonna have to work harder to get to that, to not sound like everyone else who's also doing it, because everyone has that program. Does that make sense?
Well, and it's
not impossible. I just don't have the patience to make my album twice. I'm gonna make it once. God damn it! I can't stand the idea of making this twice, as in making it and then figuring out what it's gonna sound like a second time. That's like a special kind of hell for me.
Yeah, I mean...
Sorry for all the expletives. Is this okay?
That's okay.
It's too late.
It's too late. Yeah, and I think it's like, you know, there is a way that you have found to make records that resonate so deeply with you in a way, because it's like how a lot of your influences and how you resonate primarily with music, but it's like the core of what everything is that authenticity, is that human connection,